Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is interview question. Are you appearing for interviews in other organizations also? Are you appearing for interviews in other organizations also? Ladies and gentlemen, whenever, especially when we are following the procedure of off-campus placement drive, it is not the question of campus placement drive. When we keep searching jobs outside, when we keep appearing for a large number of walk-in interviews outside, sometimes the HR asks this question to us that, are you applying in other organizations also? Sometimes, in order to praise the organization for which you are appearing for the interview, illogically, without any reason, you give a completely false statement that no sir, no ma'am, your organization is my dream organization. I am not applying anywhere else. I have made up my mind that I will only work for your company. I am not applying anywhere else. I am fully focused on your industry. This is my dream job. This is my dream organization. I wanted to be the part of it. Since my first year in my college. Ladies and gentlemen, we often give such kind of lame excuses in front of the HR when the HR is asking that, are you applying in other companies also? Immediately, the HR comes to know that you are flattering. You are not doing anything else, but you are flattering. You are trying to impress the HR without any reason. And because of this attitude, he feels irritated and he can fire you immediately. He is not going to ask any further question. Believe me, ladies and gentlemen, these HRs who are coming to hire you, they are highly logical, they are highly experienced people. They are highly experienced people. They have experienced all the practical aspects of industries wherever they are working. And just think for a while, some person has come to judge you that whether you are good for his industry or not. What do you think that, what is the level of knowledge of that particular person? What is the level of experience of that particular person? The entire industry is dependent on him, that he will bring a good candidate and then that good candidate will work properly for the organization. It means organization is having full faith in the HR that yes, he is the most experienced and the most logical person who will only bring good employees to our company. This is the level of faith of the organization in its HR. So just imagine the level of knowledge, intelligence and experience of the HR who is taking your interview. Don't think that he is not knowing anything or you can dupe him in any way. Not possible. Not possible. He is highly experienced and they have taken interviews of so many candidates that they are well aware of who is genuine and who is non-genuine, who is saying truth and who is saying false. They clearly know it. So if you say that, no, I'm not applying anywhere else, your company is my dream company, I always wanted to be the part of your company, this is my dream organization, and now my dream, I think that my dream will get fulfilled. Today I got the opportunity of appearing in the interview of your organization. This is the biggest achievement for me. Ladies and gentlemen, such kind of statements, they only irritate the HR. They only irritate the HR and your chances of getting selected become zero. Such types of statements, I am repeating this thing, such types of statements only irritate the HR and your chances of getting selected, they become zero. HR is not going to hire you. We all know that we consistently apply in many organizations whenever we are searching for any kind of job. We apply in many organizations. We appear in walk-in interviews of many organizations so that we can get selected in any one of them. If we are having choices, we are secured that, okay, if we are not getting selected in this particular company, definitely we will crack the interview of some other organization. This is what we normally do. So there is nothing to hide. There is nothing to hide, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't say that your organization is my dream organization, I'm not applying anywhere else. Okay, people sometimes have this feeling in their mind that I will work only for this particular company. But that's a genuine case. That's a genuine case, and that's a very rare case. In my professional life also, I have seen very few instances of this thing that some person is fully dedicated towards one particular organization. There are very few instances, ladies and gentlemen. Normally it never happens, and if it happens, as I am saying, there are very few instances, there are very few examples of it, that a person is specifically dedicated to one particular organization and he is not appearing in interview of any other company. It happens very rarely. Normally it never happens. We all need job, and we understand the condition of job market in India, in our country. It is very tough. So wherever we find good opportunity, we go there and we appear for interview. That's what we normally do while searching for a job. So please don't give such kind of answers to the HR. He will straight away reject you. He will straight away reject you, whether it is campus placement drive or off campus placement drive. Wherever the HR says that, are you applying to other organizations? Straight away you say, yes sir, I am applying in other organizations also. There is a possibility that he might ask further questions related to how you are applying. Okay, how you are applying in those organizations. There also, since he has asked this question, honestly answer this question. Sir, I'm posting my resume on different job sites, Naukri.com, timesjob.com, and there are so many other sites. And I am also looking for walk-in interview opportunities, and whenever I find some walk-in interview opportunity relevant to my experience and qualification, I go there, I appear for interview. Be very honest in explaining this thing to the HR, ladies and gentlemen. He will feel happy. Believe me, the HR will feel happy. And why the HR will feel happy? Because HR will come to know that yes, you are consistently searching for a job according to your profile. And if you qualify the interview of that particular HR who is sitting in front of you, definitely it will be beneficial for him also. If you are a good employee, if you are a hardworking person, you are a good person, you are having good technical knowledge, you are having good knowledge of your core subjects, and if you get hired in that company, definitely you will bring huge benefits to that company also. So there is nothing to hide in whether you are applying in other organizations or not. You are applying, straight away you say that yes sir, I am applying in other organizations also, and today I am here to appear for walk-in interview of your company. Tomorrow I will go somewhere else. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that we all keep large number of choices with us. Who knows where we get selected? And if we are having 3 to 4 choices, we can decide that where we have to go. Suppose you appear for interview in 3 companies, you don't get selected in 2 of them, but you crack 1 interview. That's the opportunity. That's the opportunity. You participated in 3 interviews, you cracked the 1, you got the job. Doing such kind of thing is good. You are having choices with you. And then you can select from those choices. Sometimes it happens that people appear in an interview of 6 to 7 companies and they are so intelligent that they can get selected in 4 of them. They appear in an interview of 6 companies, they get selected in 4 of them. Now they are having choices. From all the 4 companies, they can decide that which company is offering higher package, which company is offering other benefits, which company is having complete day shift or complete night shift. People think from this point of view also. So if you are having choices, you can select that which company you have to choose. That's why there is no problem in saying to the HR that yes sir, yes ma'am, I am applying in other organizations also. HR will only appreciate your honesty. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.